Good day everyone, I am Aljon Isragnaya, Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Mathematics. And now, our topic for today is about angles of inclinations. Angle of inclinations. The angle between a line and the x-axis, this angle is always between 0 degree and 180 degree and is measured counterclockwise from the part of the x-axis to the right of the line. So this is the graph of angle of inclinations. Note, all horizontal lines have angle of inclination 0 degree. All vertical lines have angle of inclinations 90 degree. Also, the slope of a line is given by the tangent of the angle of inclination. So what is the normal value of angle inclinations? So in blue line represent of angle of inclinations. So if theta is the angle of a straight line L, then we have the following important points. First is 0 degree less than equal theta less than equal 180 degree. For horizontal lines, theta is equal to 0 degree or 180 degree, and for vertical lines is theta is equal to 90 degree. If a straight line initially lies along the x-axis and start rotating about a fixed point A, on the x-axis in the counterclockwise directions and finally coincides with the x-axis, then the angle of inclinations of the straight line in the initial position is 0 degree, and that of the line in the final position is 0 degree. So lines which are perpendicular to x-axis are called as vertical lines, and lines which are perpendicular to y-axis are called as horizontal lines. Other lines which are neither perpendicular to x-axis and nor to y-axis are called a slant line. So angle of inclinations and slope of a line application. If theta is the angle of inclinations of a straight line L, then tangent theta is called the slope of a gradient of a line is denoted by M. Therefore, M is equal to tangent theta for 0 degree less than equal theta less than equal 180 degree. Let us find the slope of a straight using the above formula. For horizontal lines, the angle of inclination is 0 degree or 180 degree. That is, theta is equals to 0 degree or 180 degree. Therefore, M is equals to tangent 0 degree or tangent 180 degree is equals to 0. For vertical lines, the angle of inclination is 90 degree. That is, theta is equals to 90 degree. So therefore, slope of the straight line is M is equals to tangent 90 degree is equals to undefined. For slant line, if theta is acute, then the slope is positive, whereas if theta is obtuse, then the slope is negative. So slope of line, positive or negative or 0 or undefined. If the graph is downward, the slope is negative. If graph towards upward, the slope is positive. If graph is vertical line, the slope is undefined, and the graph is horizontal, the slope is 0. Example number 1. Find the angle of the inclinations of the straight line whose slope is 1 over square root of 3. Solutions. Let theta be the angle of inclinations of the line. Then, slope of the line is M is equals to tangent theta. So the given slope is 1 over square root of 3. Then, 1 over square root of 3 is equals to tangent theta. Theta is equals to 30 degree. So the angle of inclination is 30 degree. Example number 2. If the angle of inclinations of a straight line is 45 degree, find its slope. Solution. Let theta be the angle of inclinations of the line. Then, slope of the line m is equals to tangent theta. Given is theta is equals to 45 degree. Then, m is equals to tangent 45 degree. M is equals to 1. So the slope is 1. And now, this image represent to solve the tangent. So with the finger, 0, 30, 45, 60 degree, and 90 degree, we can solve the tangent of the angle of inclinations. So tangent is equal to square root of finger above over square root of finger below. So in tangent 0 degree is equal to square root of 0 over square root of 4 is equals to 0. And tangent 30 degree is equal to square root of 1 over square root of 3 is equals to 1 over square root of 3. And tangent 45 degree is equal to square root of 2 over 2. Square root of 2 is equals to 1. And tangent 60 degree is equal to square root of 3 over square root of 1 is equals to square root of 3.